right, so Mommy come down to send us home. This is the project we're into right now. So Mommy, introduce everybody to the project.
This is the project. This is the peeps.
This is the Peeps. Peeps
Yes.
Project Peeps. Okay.
And here we got some
Mechanism. Stuff.
filters and
Stuff. That's
kinda heavy.
this is the milk. This is the nipples here.
The
The milk glands. This is where the milk comes out, and
oh, I know what this does.
that's oh yeah.
We'll just clean it off.
That's and it come out of here. This is the hole that the she's busted, bud. Oh God, what a mess. We have got her work.
You're gonna get a big block.
We're gonna get a big block. I'm gonna get a big block. 454 Chevy gonna put in there. Oh, so that's our project. I'll shut this off. It's about to hit the minute mark. Tell everybody bye.